Hi, I'm Ming Sing, and on behalf of Aeronautical Engineering, welcome to Singapore Polytechnic. At SP, we offer a comprehensive range of aerospace courses, including both full-time and part-time programs. Our full-time Aeronautical Engineering Diploma, launched in 2002, was the first of its kind in Singapore. We provide a variety of part-time aerospace courses to support our graduates in their pursuit of lifelong learning. Known as DARE, our Aeronautical Engineering Diploma is the most comprehensive and versatile aerospace course in Singapore. We equip our students with transferable skills to ensure their success in life. Key highlights of our program include the option to choose different elective modules based on individual passions. Through collaborations with NUS and NTU, we offer an esteemed accelerated pathway program, allowing students to take university modules while completing their diploma. This gives them a head start if they wish to further their studies. To provide authentic training, we partner with aerospace companies, inviting industry practitioners to co-train with our students. At SP, we have the Aerohub, a dedicated training facility for all our aeronautical students. Commissioned on 2015, this 4-story building features workshops, an aircraft gallery, a students' learning space, and a project center. If you'd like to learn more about our course or facilities, feel free to approach any of our friendly staff and join the tour